This is the era of AI video generators. Now content creators are using various AI video generation tools to produce content. Recently, Google DeepMind's Veo 2 and Wan 2.1 have generated significant hype. Both AI video generators can create high-quality videos from simple prompts. Today, we will compare them to determine which one delivers better results. So, without further ado, let's dive in. To compare both tools, I will use the same prompts for each. I've already prepared a set of prompts for testing. Before we begin, note that Google Veo 2 is a paid tool, and while Wan 2.1 is open source, installing this massive AI model requires a high-end GPU setup. If you prefer the online version, you'll still need to pay. For this comparison, instead of paying for both platforms, I'll be using ChatLLM Team by Abacus AI. ChatLLM Team is an AI tools hub where you can access almost all popular AI models, including image and video generators. And how much does it cost? Just $10 per month. Okay, this is the ChatLLM Team interface. Here at the top, you will find all the popular and powerful LLM models. You can select any LLM model from here to create text-based content. Here, under the prompt box, you will find some more features to generate images, code, PPT, deep research, and more. If you click on the More button here, you will find some more tools. To generate any kind of video, we have to use the Video Gen tool. And here it is. You can see the video generation pop up. Here, first of all, we have the model. Here you will find popular AI video generator models like Hailuo AI, Luma Labs, Runway, Hunyuan, Wan, Kling, and Veo. Today, I will only try Wan and Veo. First, I am selecting the Wan 2.1 AI video generator model. After selecting the Wan video generator model, you will find an option to upload an image to use as the first frame. This time, I will skip it. Next, we have to enter the text prompt. I will start with a very basic prompt. I am entering, "A dog is walking on the grass." After entering the prompt, you can enhance the prompt using AI. As I want to start with the basics, I won't use this feature. Next, if you have a fixed seed, you can enter it here. After that, set the aspect ratio. Wan 2.1 allows you to generate videos in 16:9 and 9:16 aspect ratios. After that, you can use the fast mode from here. If you enable the fast mode, the video will be generated faster, but it may compromise the quality of the video. So, I won't use this feature. In the end, we have the resolution settings. Wan can generate video in 720p resolution. It will take a longer time but will produce the best result. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. Now we have to wait some time. I am fast forwarding this part. And here it is. The video clip is ready. Here you can see the result. It's quite a decent video. I like it. Now, let's create a video with the same prompt but using the Veo 2 video generator. So, open the video generator interface. After that, select the Veo video generator from the model option. Now, I am entering the same prompt I used in Wan 2.1. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio. And in the end, set the video duration. You can generate 5, 6, 7, and 8-second long videos. In Wan, you can set the duration, and by default, it generates a 5-second video. So, I am selecting the same here. Once everything is set, hit the generate button and then wait some time. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look. Google Veo also generates a very good result. Both Wan and Veo generate quality results. However, comparatively, I think Veo generates better videos. Veo has more movement of the subject. However, Wan has a more realistic vibe and very subtle movement. And another important point, Veo 2 took less time to generate the video. So, if you want to generate a decent video clip with a very basic prompt, you should use Veo 2. And if you want a more realistic video, you should use Wan 2.1. Alright, now I will generate another video clip. But this time, I will use a complex prompt, which contains complex camera work, human emotion, and consistent style. First, I will generate the video with Wan 2.1. After selecting the video generation model, I am entering the prompt. Next, I will set all other settings. Once done, hit the generate button. After waiting some time, I got this result. Look at the quality of the video. Wan did a great job. The camera work is brilliant, and the light and subject placement are amazing. It generates a perfect expression for the character. I really love this result. Now let's generate a video with the same prompt and settings with Veo 2. After entering the prompt and other settings, hit the Generate button. And here it is. The video is ready. Veo also did a great job. The composition, light, and even the character's emotion are just amazing. However, in the case of camera work, Wan beat Veo 2. I generated another clip with the same prompt using Veo. It's an 8-second video clip. Still, you can see the camera work of Wan 2.1 is better than Veo. Okay, now I am entering another complex prompt. First, I am generating the video with Wan 2.1. After selecting the model, enter the prompt, set all other settings, and hit the Generate button. In the same method, I will start generating videos using Veo 2 in a new tab. This time, Wan generates this result. It's a decent video. However, Veo censored the video due to an inappropriate prompt. But honestly, there was nothing like that. I can't understand the reason. However, up to now, we have been generating realistic video clips. Now, let's try to generate an animated video clip. First, in Wan 2.1, I am entering a prompt to generate a 3D animation video. Once Wan 2.1 starts generating the video, I enter the same prompt on Veo 2 and start generating the video. And here it is. This is the Wan generated video clip. Honestly, this is not like a 3D animation video. Now let's look at the Veo generated video clip. This is amazing. Not only a 3D animation, it looks like a game asset. So, in the case of animated or cartoon videos, Veo produces better results. Okay, before going to the conclusion, although Veo doesn't support the image-to-video feature, let's try the Wan 2.1 image-to-video feature. After selecting the Wan 2.1 model as the video generator, click here and then upload the image you want to turn into a video. After uploading the image, enter the prompt here in this box, and then set all other settings and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. The video is ready. Wan generates a very decent video clip. However, it didn't follow my prompt, but the quality of the video is really good. So what's my final take? After using both the video generator models, I can say that if you want to generate shorter but more realistic videos with amazing camera work, then use Wan 2.1. And if you need longer, decent, or animated videos, then use Veo 2. And yes, Veo 2 is better to generate videos in a short time. However, if you want to use both of the video generators with all other popular video generator models, then you should use them on the ChatLLM team. Here you will get access to all the features for only $10 per month. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Wan 2.1 and Veo 2. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!